Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can connect with car on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. In order to do so, we will need to use the Android Auto app. So we need to go to the settings, then over here go to connected devices, and here we should be able to find Android Auto somewhere at the bottom of this list. And if you go here, you might need to update it, so simply press update to do so. So let's give it another try after the update, and there we go. Now we have the Android Auto app. Immediately in this menu we have some customization options, so you can adjust the app to your needs. And if you want to connect with the car, you have the connect the car button. If you press it, then you will be suggested to use the USB cable. You will need to plug your phone into the car's Android Auto compatible USB port. And if your car offers it, then of course you can also try to connect by using no cable at all, so you can use the wireless method. So you can tap connect using wireless Android Auto, and then over here we have the instructions how to do that. We can also press connect using Bluetooth, and then we need to simply follow the instructions. So then we can press pair a car by going to Bluetooth, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!